There's a possibility that there'll be a meeting between Joe Biden and Narendra Modi. Biden has arrived in Italy for the G7 summit. Prime Minister Modi to leave shortly for Italy from India. There are some key bilaterals that have been lined up ahead of the summit. Biden to meet Zelensky today. The schedule is out now. The meetings, the bilaterals are going to take place. Today, U.S. President Joe Biden will meet Zelensky, and he has already reached Italy to attend the G7 summit. If at all there's a meeting, then it would happen on the sidelines, perhaps between Joe Biden and PM Modi. Narendra Modi is going to leave shortly for his visit to Italy, which is the first overseas visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his third term. Sabyasachi is also with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, leaders have started gathering in Italy. Prime Minister Modi will leave shortly.
Well, absolutely. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will shortly, PM will participate in the summit as an outreach country focusing on key issues such as Africa, climate change and development. He will hold bilateral talks with Italian Prime Minister, marking their second meeting after Meloni's visit to India in March 2023. Prime Minister Modi will also participate in the outreach session on June 14, which will focus on artificial intelligence, energy, Africa and the Mediterranean. The visit will provide an opportunity for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to engage with other world leaders present at the summit on issues important to India and the global south. At this particular time, Prime Minister Modi's participation in the G7 summit will also allow him to follow up on the outcomes of the G20 summit held under India's presidency last year. India will also participate in the Ukraine Peace Summit in Switzerland at an appropriate level, although the specific representation has not been disclosed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to discuss several key issues at the G7 summit in Italy, starting from Africa, climate change development, the Middle East and Ukrainian conflict, artificial intelligence, as well as global challenges.
All right, Sabyasachi, keep tracking all the developments for the moment. Thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break. News and updates will continue.